Today is June 27th. I just came from the Towson courthouse. I was denied a jury trial. Judge Murphy trying to force me into taking a bench trial. I'm going to file a motion for a change of venue, and I'm asking for a direct verdict because Jake never filed discovery. He never gave me any evidence like the court ordered him to. He didn't answer the court's material at all in the court format. I have. My property was stolen from me through James Hammond and Jake Davis. That was coercion and conspiracy. I'm a vulnerable individual. I was locked up in the state of Illinois. By law, that store should have been closed because there was no license in Jake's name. And the landlord had no right to have an illegal lease drawn up in February. The IRS is looking at that too, because from January till June, there was over $150,000 made at that store that's not accountable. Money was moved across state lines to Virginia to his mother's house named Darlene Davis in Virginia. We need to have all this investigated. So we're gonna have it all investigated, period. I fired Jake Davis in November. James Hammond is on film when I fired him. Jake Davis and James Hammond is part of my movie. My check and those signatures don't match the checks. When you release me from the responsibility of that place, you shouldn't have been writing checks with my name on it. BG&E, Cockeysville garbage disposal, Verizon, all that was taken while I was in jail. I never signed that, never asked for it to be turned over. I asked for that store to be closed. I asked for a eviction. I asked for an eviction hearing. Never happened. James Hammond, Jake Davis need to go to jail, and that's what I want. IRS needs to audit them too, federally and by the state. Judge Turnbull, Judge Souter, and Schellenberger all have knowledge of this, and they need to pay attention. That's why I'm going to ask for a change of venue. Too much prejudice going on in this court. I can't even go into court without having an armed guard following me wherever I go. That's a violation of public accommodations. I don't need you to know where I'm going in the papers that I'm filing. Find out when they hit the court docket. We're not going to stop. I got a trial in February. That's Black History Month. I got a file in February. That's when I brung them toilets here. Jake Davis took that toilet that I had for evidence and threw it in the garbage. That right there is admission of obstruction of justice. So
and Tom is your witness.
And Tom is my witness. So we're gonna have all those witnesses gonna be admitted. We're gonna have everybody come to court. Judge Turnbull, sovereign immunity doesn't apply. Bernstein, sovereign immunity doesn't apply. I filed my complaint with y'all long before I got locked up. So we're gonna finish this in a federal court. Thank you.